Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last night I took this wall down. I completely dismantled it. I had my pegboard up there, but it wasn't properly mounted. So when you're trying to mount a pegboard, you can't have it flush to the wall, and that's what I did. I had it flush to the wall. You have to use these sign stoppers right here to kind of give you some distance between the wall so that you can actually hang stuff on it. So right now my room is a complete mess as I took everything off the wall and I grouted the holes. I think that's what you call it, a drywall or whatever, however you call it. But now I'm just going to go back through. What did I drop? What was that? My hand. Could you tell? I got this from IKEA. I just wanted to do this. It won't work. My sleeve's not long enough. Okay. Anyways, so I got this cool thing from IKEA to kind of add to my wooden statue over there. I'm going to hang 2 shelves on this wall. I'm going to take the roll of paper that was over there and remove it. So let's go. Hey y'all, back at it again with another video. Bree has me in the fabric store and she knows she's coming for snaps for her leotard bodysuit, one piece unitard transformer, whatever she making. I don't know, she making something fierce. But she brought me to the fabric store. She knows I can't just come for one thing. I can't just come for one thing. So I guess I'll probably go in there, see what kind of fabrics they have. I know I go in there and try to see what kind of fabrics they have, I guess. I don't know what I need, but I might find something that I need. All right, I'll see y'all soon. So I clearly got more than what I bargained for, right?
What's up, fishy yummy?
So my next DIY project, I saw June Ambrosia, June Ambrose, the stylist. She had on this motorcycle jacket that was like a motorcycle jacket in the front and a puffer jacket in the back. So right now we're trying to figure out which tweed or which print I'm going to use. Now this is really nice right here, kind of Christmassy, or this one right here, but I also have a metallic silver and black at home. So should I use that one? Okay, either way I still gotta go get stuffing. So Brianna still is not helping me with what I should do with that. I'm definitely going to get this, and I'm putting this back because I was thinking about this to outline the motorcycle jacket, but I have some faux black leather at home. So, and I got some muslin that I need to drape something tonight. So we're about to roll out. We're about to get this. My mask keeps slipping down every time I talk. I'm going to find a lining fabric for the motorcycle jacket. I want it to be thick, nice, heavy satin. And we will be back in the studio. Okay, so my corner is literally almost done. I mounted the pattern paper up there, finished my shelves. Literally, earlier I was drilling, didn't even think about it. And I had put the books on the top shelf, but I was drilling the bottom shelf before putting the books on the bottom shelf. And literally all the books on that top shelf just about fell on top of my head. And it would have been nice to see, but the recording had stopped because my internal whatever had overheated. So, but I'm pretty satisfied with the way everything came out. It looks super neat and organized. I just have to finish cleaning up the remainder of the room. The last portion is just me going through each drawer and organizing in accordance to category. Almost done. Gotta put that away, then I'll be done this corner. I have to get my nails done. Ooh, I zoomed by accident. Okay, hold on. There we go. And I saw this design on Pinterest and I really liked it. It's zebra and it's supposed to be giraffe print, but I think mine's wound up looking more like polka dots. But anywho, let's get into it. And this is actually an emerald green. It's not black, but it looks black in this lighting. So anywho,